Welcome, explorers, to a jungle made entirely of clay. Imagine a world where everything is soft, colorful, and hand-shaped. Tall green trees, wide leaves, and a bright blue sky. Sunlight sparkles through the canopy, casting playful spots on the ground. A gentle river winds through, its blue clay water gurgling over smooth stones and lily pads. Sometimes a tiny frog perches on a pad, watching the world go by. The river is the lifeblood of this world, connecting every part of the jungle. Listen, strange birds call, monkeys chatter, and insects buzz near bright flowers. The jungle is alive with a symphony of sounds, reminding us we are guests in a bustling world. As we begin our adventure, let's walk softly and see what creatures await. The ground is soft clay, covered in fallen leaves, every step a new discovery. What animals might be hiding behind the big leaves? What wonders are around the next bend? Keep your eyes and ears open. The claymation jungle is full of surprises. Our journey is just beginning. Let's explore this magical world together. The adventure starts now. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome to the claymation jungle. Look, hiding in the shadows is a jaguar, crafted from orange clay with dark rosettes. Its bright green eyes scan the jungle, missing nothing. The jaguar moves silently, its soft paws making no sound. It's a master of stealth, built for power and surprise. Jaguars have one of the strongest bites of all big cats, strong enough to crack turtle shells. This makes them top predators, able to hunt a variety of prey. Watch as our clay jaguar crouches low, belly nearly touching the earth, stalking toward the river. Unlike most cats, jaguars are excellent swimmers, often hunting in and around water. They glide through rivers with ease, showing their adaptability. Jaguars are solitary, marking their territory and living alone. Even as kings and queens of the jungle, they face threats. Their homes are shrinking. Protecting the jungle means protecting these magnificent hunters. Every jaguar is a symbol of the wild spirit of this place. By keeping the jungle safe, we ensure jaguars can roam for generations. Their silent prowl is a reminder of the jungle's mystery. Let's move quietly, and maybe we'll see more of these incredible creatures. The claymation jungle wouldn't be the same without them. The jaguar disappears into the shadows, leaving us in awe. What will we discover next? The adventure continues. Look up. High in the canopy, spider monkeys swing and play. Made from cheerful brown clay, they have long arms, legs, and prehensile tails. Their tails act like extra hands, wrapping around branches as they leap and hang. Monkeys chatter and call, living in big family groups. Play is important. It teaches young monkeys how to move, stay strong, and get along. They search for ripe fruit, leaves, and flowers, spreading seeds as they travel. These playful monkeys are jungle gardeners, helping new trees grow. Life in the treetops is an adventure. Monkeys warn each other of danger with loud calls. By working together, they keep their families safe. Watching them reminds us how lively the jungle is, from ground to treetop. Family and teamwork are key, even in the wild. The monkey's energy fills the claymation jungle with joy. What other creatures share this world? Let's keep exploring. The jungle bursts with color. Look at the toucan on the branch. Its black clay body and huge, colorful beak stand out orange, yellow, blue. The beak is light and perfect for reaching fruit on thin branches. Toucans use their beaks to grab meals and even scare off smaller birds. Like monkeys, they help spread seeds, keeping the jungle lush. Near the riverbank, a red-eyed tree frog clings to a leaf. Its bright green body camouflages it, but its red eyes and orange feet warn predators. When threatened, it flashes its colors and hops to safety. Toucans and frogs are signs of a healthy jungle, each with a special role. Frogs need clean water. Toucans need fruit trees. Their colors remind us the jungle is a treasure chest of surprises. Every creature, big or small, helps the jungle thrive. The claymation jungle is alive with beauty and wonder. Let's see what else we can find. Close your eyes, listen to the jungle's concert of sounds. Toucans croak, monkeys whoop, insects buzz, and crickets chirp. Every sound is a language, warnings, calls, and claims to territory. Even the wind rustles the leaves, adding to the music. Suddenly, a green snake slithers through the undergrowth, hissing a warning. Every sound tells a story of survival. As day turns to night, the symphony changes. Frogs begin their chorus, and jaguars may roar in the distance. The jungle's soundtrack is always changing, always alive. It's a living, breathing world, never silent, always singing. The music of the jungle is a testament to life's endless cycle. Listen closely. There's always something new to hear. The Claymation Jungle song continues. This claymation jungle is a model of real jungles, Earth's lungs. Jungles breathe in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen, keeping our planet healthy. But jungles are in danger. Trees are cut down for farms and cities. When trees disappear, animals lose their homes and food. The jaguar, monkeys, and frogs all suffer when the jungle shrinks. Every plant and animal is connected in a delicate circle of life. Bees pollinate flowers, monkeys and toucans spread seeds, trees shelter animals. Protecting the jungle means saving the whole system, not just one animal. We can help by learning, sharing, and supporting forest-friendly choices. Our claymation world reminds us of the real jungle's beauty and importance. Let's be guardians of these treasures. Together we can ensure jungles and their creatures thrive for years to come. The future of the jungle is in our hands. Our claymation jungle adventure ends, but your journey is just beginning. We've seen jaguars, monkeys, toucans, and frogs and heard the jungle's symphony. This handmade world shows just a glimpse of real jungle magic. You can be an explorer anywhere, your backyard, a park, or even your windowsill. Curiosity is your best tool. Ask questions, look closely, and imagine new worlds. What animals would you create in your own jungle? Your imagination can shape new adventures and stories. As we say goodbye, keep your sense of wonder alive. Go outside, listen, and discover the natural world around you. The next great explorer could be you. What will you discover first? The adventure is yours to begin.